I've been brought over here to creative direct and direct 2 short films showcasing the capabilities of shift cam lenses for commercial productions. And we attach them to iPhone 15 Pro Max cameras. And that's how we shot the entire campaigns.
Trabajamos con 2 bailarinas y la idea era estar como bien cerca de ella y buscar ángulos que eran medio improvisados y bastante difíciles. Si hubiésemos estado con una cámara grande, con óptica gigante, todo el proceso hubiese sido mucho más complicado y más forzado.
With our experience from the film business, we can show how we can implement the iPhone and to shoot with the iPhone in this industry.
The technical parameters of shooting on the iPhone 15 Pro Max are nearly the same now than to shoot on a cinematic camera.
We're trying to find another alternative to shoot in a simpler way. So this iPhone is a very efficient way to work on a cinema.
El hecho de que hayamos estado ahí solo con un iPhone, con el director y la modelo, le da también como un sentimiento de intimidad al video que también lo requería, siento yo.
So we are really thankful to be part of that project and have Benson and Shipcam with us. We are 100% sure it will become more and more in the film industry.
Whoever has the interest of doing something special, different, affordable, and handy.
This technology allows us to say yes, knowing that we don't have to compromise on quality, that we've got the technology to back us up and the ability to create something that's effortless, it's unencumbered, and something that we're really proud of.